next question is minus 3 raised to the power of 4 into 5 upon 3 raised to the power of 4. So now first you have to solve minus 3 raised to the power of 4. So take minus 1. Take it minus 1 outside, and this is 3 raised to the power of 4 and 5 raised to the power of 4 and 3 raised to the power of 4. Here 3 raised to the power 4 and this number is cancelled, and here minus 1 into 5 raised to the power of 4. And you have already know minus 1 raised to the power of minus 1 raised to the power of 4. So minus 1, you have already know minus 1 raised to the power of even number. So answer is always come positive. So minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, that is plus 1. So you can write in 1 into 5 raised to the power of 5 raised to the power of 4. So answer is 5 raised to the power of 4. Now the next is 3 raised to the power of 15. Here the base will be same but the power are different, and here we given the divided sign. So 3 raised to the power of 15 upon 3 raised to the power of 10. So here out cancel out, and here will be remaining is 3 raised to the power of 5. And you can return as in this form 3 raised to the power of m minus n. It means a 15 minus 10 means 3 raised to the power of 5. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is a 9. 3 3 is a 9. 81 into 3 is 243. So your answer will become 243. Now the next similarly the next question is 1 upon 3 raised to the power of minus 2. So you can return as 3 raised to the power of 2. It means 3 into 3, that is 9. Now the next is evaluate minus 3 raised to the power minus 1 plus 4 raised to the power of minus 1 plus 5 raised to the power of minus 1 whole 0. So you have already know minus 1 raised to the power of x raised to the power of 0. Answer will be 1. So this is the answer will become only 1. Now the next is 25 into t raised to the power of 4 and upon 5 minus 3 into 10 into t minus 8. So first you have to solve this question. The number it will be break. So here we given 25. So you can write 5 into 5. 5 into 5, or you can say 5 square. T raised to the power of minus 4, and here 5 minus 3 into 10 you can return as 2 into 5, that is 10, and t raised to the power of minus 8. So now 5 raised to the power of 2 you can return as 5 raised to the power of 2, and 5 raised to the power of 3 is here. So here will be given 5 raised to the power of plus 3, and now this is cancel out, and the remaining is 2 into 5 and t raised to the power of minus 4. Now again this is a solution for the 5 raised to the, you have already know base will be same, so power will be add 5 raised to the power of 8 and 5 3. So 2 3 this is 5. 2 plus 3 is 5, and 2 into 5 and t raised to the power of 4 you can return as. So now 5 to 5 raised to the power of cancel. So here 5 raised to the power is 4 is remaining, t raised to the power of 4 upon 2. 5 raised to the power 4 is written as 625 t raised to the power of 4 upon 2. So this is the solution of this exponential form.